Okay, here is how you activate the remote engine start feature for a BMW. It's a little hard to find because BMW doesn't just put it under remote engine start. It's actually under the climate control system. So when you get your brand new BMW, you have to go into your settings and engage the fact that you can remote engine start the vehicle. And I'm going to show you where exactly in your iDrive 7 system that you can activate that setting. Let me show you. Okay, so with iDrive 7, when you're at the main menu here, you want to scroll down and go to car. And then you have 5 different options here. We want the middle one, settings, and you're going to scroll over to climate control. It's not going to say remote engine start or anything just yet. Even here, you can't really see anything. You highlight preconditioned ventilation, then you'll see remote engine. You go in there, you click down again, and then it says, you know, abide by your different laws and everything like that. And once that check mark is activated, now you can remote engine start it. So now your remote engine start is engaged, and you can do that via one of two ways. First one is going to be your BMW app. Through My BMW, you can do the remote engine start via the satellite or through your key fob. You just want to triple click the BMW lock button. So 1, 2, 3, and you will see the vehicle flash its lights and then remote engine start. Now the vehicle is starting up. Now inside, it's always going to automatically set the temperature for 23 degrees, whether you're in the winter or the summertime. It's going to be 23 degrees no matter what. And when you're ready to shut it off, once again, you can do it through your app or through the remote control. 1, 2, 3. And it shuts down for you. That is how you activate the remote engine start on an iDrive 7 BMW, which recently came to the X3 for the 2022 model year. Thank you guys so much. My example for this was a 2022 430i. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to stay up to date with all BMW news, drop a subscribe down for my channel, smash the like button, help me out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.